Hi, it's Vihan. Today I'm going to show you transpiration in plants. So, all you need is a plastic cover or a bag and some rope. So first, you can put your plastic cover in a branch. And then you need to tie it. You need to tie the bag to the branch so that it's airtight. We'll come back after 2-3 hours and see what happens. We waited for 6 hours and we saw moisture and some water droplets in. Now let's open it and see. So if you're stuck in a forest, maybe this is how you can get water to drink, because this is drinkable water. And do you see water droplets on the leaves? Because that's where they do transpiration.